Rohit moved from Mumbai city to Delhi, bright and busy. First day at his brand new school, feeling happy, calm and cool. Teacher said, stand up and say, introduce yourself today. Rohit smiled so happily. This is all about my family. I live in Delhi with my family. They mean the whole wide world to me. My father is a civil engineer, building bridges and buildings here. My mother is a bank manager, helping people every day with care. Grandfather is a doctor, wise, treating patients, that's his prize. Grandmother is a teacher, kind, teaching children, bright in mind. My morning routine:
I wake up at 6 each day, brush my teeth right away. I take a bath and wear my dress,
school uniform,
neat, no mess.
I eat breakfast, fresh and hot,
then to the bus stop.
On the dot, at 7 o'clock I catch my bus off to school.
No hurry, no fuss.
I study in class 2,
learning many things new:
English, Hindi, maths and science,
reading and writing